Good morning, everybody. Rick here. Today is Thursday, March 23rd. Time is 9:47 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I apologize. I'm getting an extremely late start. So yesterday really wore me out in the garden for class. So, okay, here is what's happening. I just went long 10 contracts, 47.40 right here off the point of control. So here's what I'm looking at. So we got a lot of down pressure back in the pre-market, and it's actually entered into the market profile, the 80% rule, starting up here, which says 80% chance is going to reach down to the point of control. So just looking back here, this would have been your first cluster at 97. So 96, 86, would have been a target level there for entry. So probably some absorption here. Okay, and that would have ended up getting stopped out depending on where your entry is. Maybe half off break even, I don't know. But 97, 96, 86, 76, 76. 76. Okay, back here. So this cluster would have became invalid. I like this one a lot better. Bigger volume as far as in the orders here. 84, 74, 64. And that puts it right there on the ice line. And that is close enough. The point of control would have came into play here. So, okay, I think we're okay. So, long 10 contracts, 47.70. Look to pull half off at 47.80. Let me get all this adjusted real quick. There's limit there. And stop is going to be sitting at 60. Yeah, 47.60 is going to be my stop. Sell 10, stop. Okay, there we are. All right, we're almost 7 ticks in. I'm going to go ahead and move my stop up at this point. What is the bottom of this bar here? 60. 64. I'm okay. I'm gonna move my stop up to 64. And that is going to be for a 6-tick stop. Okay, so now we're just watching. We're in the oversold area there. This would have been sketchy back here, really. Still a lot of down pressure. So if anything, we may get half off break even at 70. And I may just leave my stop where it is or adjust it up 1 tick to make it a flat scratch if it does hit that. So, okay, here's my fill right here at 70 on this bar. And we're going to see if we can get up to 80 up here. All right, I'm going to watch. I'll be back shortly. Okay, guys, this is taking a little longer than I like. I'm going to hang steady for just a bit, though. 6-tick stop. 64 is, yeah, 64 is the 19th threshold based off of this bar here. Actually, 63. 83, 76, 63. Okay, my stop is sitting at 64. I'm going to leave it right where it is at 6 ticks at the moment. And kind of want to watch and see what happens here. I'm still seeing a whole lot of down pressure coming into this one. Theoretically, the point of control should hold based off of the prints and us being down here in the oversold area. So we'll just see what kind of happens here. But the The buyers are defending, and they're holding steady, but the bears are, I mean, they're really pushing. So I mean, they're kind of trickling it down. So if it breaks past, or if it hits my stop, rather, then I'm gonna sit out for just a moment and re-engage, reanalyze and watch. I want to see a divergence with the delta to come on in, and then we'll utilize it from that point, probably closer to the 8 moving average, and see if it actually break there, and I'll try to catch pullback. So that's if I don't get out of this trade half off yet. So all right, be back in a bit. Okay, I went ahead and scratched this break even. If this is a channel, then it may just leg down again, and I just want to watch it. So this isn't happening like I like for it to happen, so we're just going to wait and see if we can get a better entry. If it breaks past this point of control, then I'd probably look around the value area low down here at 47.45, and that is actually in the 100 tick rundown range anyway. Alright, I'll be back and I'll let you know when I get back in. Okay, what I did, I went ahead and pulled half off at 78 for 8 ticks. I'm going to leave my stop where it is for the moment at 64, and I'll move it to break even if we can close above this 8 moving average here. So it's looking like a channel move at the moment, and that is not ideal for what I'm wanting for CL, because if that happens, that looks like it sets up for a leg down again. Okay, I'll be back. Alright, stopped out there, so I'm going to watch at this one. There's still a lot of down pressure on this, and yeah, I don't want to hop in front of this bus until I can get some kind of a confirmation there. So 83, 73, 63, so yep, okay, so this cluster has become invalid now, and I'm not seeing anything else to say in a turnaround at this point. So now we'll probably be looking around the value area low around 45 or so. So if it turns before that, then we'll make a decision. We'll probably look to play around this area. Alright, I'll be back. Okay guys, I believe this 5 deviation line is going to be holding. I'm looking at all the divergence going on down here. The prints doesn't add up with it, but this thing is just, it's not going anywhere. So I think the sellers eventually going to end up getting tired here and cover their positions, and I think the buyers is going to start taking off at this point. So long 10 contracts 47.67 right here off the 8 moving average. Look to pull half off at 77. Get that set up. And stop is going to be sitting. Whoops, didn't do that right. Hang on one second. Dang it, I'm long 15 contracts. I don't want that. Let me get 5 of these off of here. Okay, got 5 off at 74. That's actually for profit. Nice. Okay, I'm long 10 contracts 47.69. See if I can get half off at 79. Let's see where we at. 78. Actually, I'm gonna pull half off right now. Well, that moves quick. Okay, half off at 75, and I am going to. Oh wow. I'm not even going to be able to explain this one, so I'm not even going to try with that long 15 contracts. I did not mean for that to happen. Okay, but it's turned into some type of profit. So I guess the dollar cost average got me long at 71 now. Okay, long 5 contracts 47.71 up here. So theoretically stop would be at 61. But I am going to move stop at 66. Stop. Okay. So a 5-tick stop. And we'll see where we're going to go from here. So long 5 contracts 47.71, stop sitting at 66. I'll set to pull one off at 91 for 20 ticks. Okay, now it's just a watch and wait game. Alright, I'll be back shortly. Okay guys, stopped out there and I'm done for the day. My analysis is off, and with the mistakes that I made, I'm not even going to attempt this market. So this has just been a scratch day as far as profit today. And that is okay. I am tired, so I'm not actually sure I'm going to trade tomorrow. I think I need to rest and so I can focus back a little bit. So I'm going to wrap this day up, and so I will see you guys. If not tomorrow, I will definitely see you Monday. And I just need to, I'm going to go relax for a bit because I'm just kind of wore out and mentally drained as well. So still a lot of time left in the market, but I'm not going to fool with it. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you. If not tomorrow, we'll see you Monday. All right, bye.